Good morning, student. Now, today we will discuss the income elasticity of demand. Now, means if the income of the consumer will increase, then the demand will increase or not. How we will calculate this? Elasticity of the income, percentage change in elasticity in quantity demand upon percentage change in income. Suppose a consumer was earning 50,000 per month and now his salary increased and became 55,000 per month. So salary of the consumer has increased by 10%. Now if he was making the consumption of rice, if he will increase the consumption of rice or not increase the consumption of rice. This we will make the study by income through. If there is a change in income, there will be change in the consumption of commodities or not. This change may be of three types. First, positive income elasticity, negative income elasticity, zero income elasticity. If the income increases and demand of the commodity also increases, that is called positive income elasticity. Income decreases and demand is also decreases. This is called positive income elasticity. Now means increase in income, this is goes up. Increase in demand goes up. Both are the same direction. Or decrease in income, decrease in the demand. So in the case of normal goods, this happens. If the income of the consumer will be increased one, he will increase the consumption of fruits and milk item. They are the normal goods. Secondly, negative income elasticity. Here will be inverse relation between the income and the commodities demand. If the income will increase, quantity demand of this commodity will be decreases. This is the inferior goods. Because when income will be increased, he will start to make the consumption of best quality goods. So lower quality goods demand will be reduced. Or if the income decreases, he will start to use the lower quality goods. So demand will be increases. So in the case of inferior goods has the inverse relationship with income. So in this case, there will be negative income elasticity. In the case of normal goods or luxury goods, there will be positive income elasticity and zero income elasticity. Income increase or decrease, there will be no change in the quantity demand of the goods. Under this category, taste, preference, and most necessary things will come, like salt, sugar, chili powder. They have the zero income elasticity. Either income increase some rupees or decrease some rupees, there will be no change in the consumption of salt, sugar, chili powder. They will remain same. So here will be zero income elasticity. Now next one is the cross elasticity of demand. Here we are making the study of two goods. One is the X and one is the Y. So two goods we are making the study. One goods is the X and one goods is the Y. And now you know they may be either substitute goods, they may be either complementary goods, or they may be either not related goods to each other. So there may be three types of goods. If two goods are X and Y, X may be substitute of Y, or X may be complementary of Y, or X may be not related. So one goods price and other goods quantity demand, we will compare one goods price and other goods quantity demand. Here percentage change in the quantity demand of X. First we have written here X. So X will be upper side. We are making the study of X on the basis of Y. So Y will be below side. So percentage change in quantity demand of X upon percentage change in the price of Y. Now they will be depend on the relation of the X and Y. If Y is the substitute goods, then there will be positive cross elasticity. If both are the substitute goods, then there will be positive cross elasticity of demand. Now, X, this is the Coke, and Y, this is the Pepsi. Now both are substitute to one another. Person who are using Coke, if Coke is not available, they can use the Pepsi. Now, if the price of Pepsi will increase, price of Pepsi will increase, the result will be the Pepsi user will be transfer on Coke and quantity demand of Coke will be increased. Or if the price of Pepsi fall down, the result will be Coke user will be transferred on Pepsi. So demand of Coke will fall down. So here is the positive relationship between the substitute goods. If they are the substitute goods, positive cross elasticity of demand will be created. Secondly, this goods may be of complementary goods. It is possible it may be of complementary goods. So in that case, there will be a negative cross elasticity For example, X is the bike, Y is the petrol. Now, they are the complementary to each other. If there is no bike, no use of petrol. If we have the bike, without petrol we cannot run. So they are complementary to each other. You know, if the price of petrol fall down, result will be the people use more bike and demand of bike will increase. If the price of petrol is running nowadays nearly 80 rupees, it falls down and becomes the 40 rupees. If you imagine, you will see that at a sudden demand in the bike will be increased one, because the cost of bike will be very less. So mostly people use the bike, car, etc. Or now, if the price of petrol becomes 150 rupees per liter, now they will start to use the bike less consumption. Then if there is any urgent, then they will use the bike, otherwise they will use the cycle or they will run on the foot. So if the petrol will increase, demand of bike will decrease. So here is our negative cross elasticity of demand. Now third things, there is no relation between the X and Y. Now X is the bike and Y is the sugar. Now there is no any types of relation between the bike and sugar. So if the price of bike increase or decrease, it will not affect it to sugar. Or if the price of sugar increase or decrease, it will not affect it to bike. So here will be zero cross elasticity of demand. I hope all of you have understood this. Thank you, student.